Somewhere down the road it had to happen. Globi got his first hole in his shoe. First thing was to drop down the lift and get Ernstli out to reach the spare wheels. Luckily, we also had the right tools at hand as well. The inhabitants of the nearby village were immediately on the spot to help, which was good despite all the tips and tricks we had learned, as the screws were quite stuck and the big wheels are quite heavy. With joint forces, we lifted this huge piece on the axe.
Careful.
And everybody helped again when we stored the damaged wheel. The guys liked that very much, as they were really sold on all the technical stuff. And of course they liked Ernstli. They allowed us to stay overnight in their village. So we only went back to Mount the next morning to get the tire repaired. The tire quick fix team in Mount had never seen before such Hutchinson rims with bad locks. The evildoer, a huge screw, had to be pulled out with a big wrench. Monstrously, this piece. Then the big hole has been repaired professionally and everything has been cleaned perfectly. The insertion of the bad lock and the rim went well, without problems. Some details though Peter had to explain. So we got a fantastic repaired tire only after 1.5 hours, nearly new worthy. Next stop was the balancing shop to get the wheels aligned correctly again. That was also done in short time. And back on the road again.